Hello there. With this guide, I will show you how to add the missing drivers to the Windows installation image file. What you need for this guide is to download the required drivers from manufacturer's website. You need USB flash drive big enough to create bootable USB drive and big enough to add the driver or drivers to bootable USB flash drive. If you don't have a bootable USB flash drive, you can create one using the Rufus tool. Please check the video's description section to find the download link. For this guide to work, you will need to create a folder on your root of the C drive called driver and export the driver or drivers you want to add to the image to this folder. Also create a folder on root of the C drive called work. I have created these two folders. The driver folder contains the drivers and the work folder we will use to mount the Windows image. Connect your bootable USB flash drive to computer and navigate to Sources folder on bootable USB flash drive and copy the file path to install.bin or install.esd file. We will be using this copied file path at the next command we will execute. Open an elevated command prompt. To do that, type cmd into Start menu search box. Right-click the command prompt and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes button. From the command prompt, execute following command. Right-click the command prompt to paste the install.bin or install.esd file path and press Enter key. Now we have to find the index number of the Windows Operating System edition that you want to add drivers to. In this example, I have a Windows 11. I will use Pro Edition of Windows 11 to add the drivers to. Windows 11 Pro Edition has an index number 4. Now we have to mount the image of your preferred Windows edition using its index number. Execute following command to mount the Windows edition. You can change the install.bin file path to install.bin ESD. When you're ready, press Enter key. Wait for the deployment image servicing and management tool to complete. Operation completed successfully. To add driver or drivers to image, open the drivers folder on the C drive. If you not already have enabled file extensions in File Explorer, then do it from Folder Options. Find the .inf file of your driver and use the following command to add the driver to Windows installation file. Replace the driver file name with your driver name. Execute following command. When you're ready, press Enter key. Wait for the DSIM image servicing and management tool to complete. Operation completed successfully. If you want to add additional drivers, repeat previous step and change the driver name. Or you can use this command for adding all drivers in folders and subfolders. This is the command you can use to add drivers in subfolders. When the old drivers added, we have to commit the changes to Windows image by executing following command. When you're ready, press Enter key. When the command finishes executing, you have add the driver to Windows installation file. You can now use this USB flash drive to install Windows operating system with added driver. Operation completed successfully. That is it. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.